Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge to $100,000 with Shibadoge token, just like the way between 2020 and 2021, you can see it was possible to turn $1 to $1 million or even $4 million with Shiba Inu. Now, Shibadoge is the coin that I've been trading with about 15 zeros as of last year, and this year Shibadoge started trading with about 16 zeros. And one impressive thing about Shibadoge is they've gotten a lot of listening within a space of 90 days. They got over 7 top exchange listening Shibadoge coin. Now, for this coin to hit turn $1 to $100,000, Shibadoge needs to delete about 5 zeros. Currently, Shibadoge is trading with 16 zeros, and if Shibadoge starts trading with 11 zeros, your $1 will be worth about $100,000. 10 million price, 10 million % increase is possible with Shibadoge, just like the way it was possible with Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu and Shibadoge have almost same characteristics. The only thing different was Shiba Inu was lucky to gain top listening on time. Shiba Inu was lucky to gain so many people started buying Shiba Inu, and it was at the time crypto industry was booming. It was at the time so many people were going into crypto industry. It was at the time so many people and a lot of crypto billionaires were heavily investing on cryptocurrency, and Shiba Inu used that opportunity. That was what really helped Shiba Inu to hit millions of %. But for Shibadoge is really pumping at the time when crypto industry is down. Shibadoge is really they really need a lot of work in the area of burning. They also need crypto industry in general to start pumping, especially Bitcoin. Although this year we have started experiencing an increase in price of cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, have already hit over 100% increase in price since the beginning of the year. Now, Shibadoge deleting 5 zeros, we know that it's not going to be easy, but the truth still remains there's the possibility of turning $1 to $100,000 in the near future. Now, just like Shiba Inu did that within the space of 1.5 years or 2 years, Shibadoge can delete 5 zeros within the next 5 to 7 years. Assume it was around 2020. Shibadoge can delete 5 zeros within 2 years. But at this time where crypto industry are experiencing a lot, I believe Shibadoge can turn $1 into $100,000 within the next 7 years. So many crypto coins have really pumped in the past. Some have already hit millions of %. Some are currently hitting 400,000 %. Some are currently hitting 1 million %. Shibadoge, yes, I know, still remains one of the best small cap coin, but turning $1 into $100,000, is it possible with Shibadoge? The answer is yes. Turning $1 to $100,000 is possible. $1 investment to $100,000 is very much possible with Shibadoge before the end of 2030. You know, there are so many coins that in the past 10 years, go and take a look at their record. And I believe Dogecoin really did a lot. XRP, Cardano, Solana, these coins have really pumped so much in the past. Now, in the past, since 2013 down to 2023, that is 10 years ago, you remember Dogecoin itself was trading with a lot of zeros, and today you can see the price of Dogecoin. So I believe if we can give Shibadoge a very long period of time, we can give Shibadoge between now down to 2030, that is within the next 7 years to come, I believe Shibadoge can break a lot of records. So if you have not gotten your Shibadoge coin, this day at least you will have over 8 listening where you can actually buy Shibadoge token. Try to invest and try to buy, even though it's just $1 worth of Shibadoge coin, which is nothing. I mean, just $1 investment on Shibadoge. You know, $1 is something you can definitely forget about it. But I believe that in the next few years to come, imagine this coin deleting just 2 zeros. Your $1 will be worth about $1,000. So you see, it's a good investment. Okay, now imagine I think $1 will be worth about that should be $100, and imagine Shibadoge deleting 3 zeros, so $1 will be worth about $1,000. Remember, this is on the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.